this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with kind of a long time coming swap. So I participated in the Created to Create Not So Secret Santa swap. So I just received my Santa swap. It was delayed for a number of reasons. One of our partners got changed, and another was I had to pay additional shipping, so that just took a little bit of time. So without further ado, this was the first one. This up, and let's get into it. I will save this bag because with all of the stuff I'm cleaning up. And here we go. Packaged very pretty. And very pretty. So I'm going to end this tool. And very silvery and all kinds of lovelies attached. Okay. So hosted by Miss Ida at Created to Create. This is from Michelle. She is Ms. MS Seashell on YouTube. And she's got this pretty tag attached. So you can see that. And this really pretty box, all in silver. I don't know if the paper was embossed or she embossed it, but it's pretty amazing. So it opens up like so. And all her goodies are in here. So let's open this up and see what kind of goodies. So she's got a cute little tag. It says to Cindy from Michelle. And then she has an ornament. I don't know if she made this, but kind of like a resin. Looks like it's homemade. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. And so also in this package, she's got adorable die cuts. So these are teapots. Love that. And she included the die, which is really cute. And I really actually do like this die. So very sweet. She also included, and we're supposed to include our favorite things. So she sent a die, and then distress ink and spiced marmalade. Really cool. I've got those new brushes. I really need to try that. And my favorite glue, which I have right here, and it's getting low, so that's very exciting. We like the same things, it looks like, because she included stickles. This is in sorbet. So I don't know if I have this color. I have a whole box of stickles because I had bought the $20 stickles warehouse box, and a glue stick, which is really fun. And then in here, she's got it kind of protected. I feel like this might be a pokey stick or something. Oh, it's a Zig Wink of Stella in clear. Very cool. So that's actually, I'm going to put right there because I'm going to use that. And then, is that everything? That is everything. Very, very nice. Thank you so much, Miss Seashell. So, some really fun things in here, and this box is really fun. So let me move this one out of the way. And then my second one came in a bag like so. And I'm going to kind of show you what's in here. So this is kind of ingenious because she used one of those decorated Ziplocs. Decorated Ziplocs. And so she's got flour here. And let me get into the stuff in here. So in here, she has, I think this must be her tag. Super cute tag. It's very sturdy. So it's like a girl fox tag. Super fun. So she's got her tag. And then her goodies are all packaged up so fancy. So in here she has a bunch of trims. So there's lace and some trims here, and then here she's got some beads. This must be part of her favorite things. So that's fun, and decorate the topper. So there's that one, and then she's got this cute like stocking that you could alter. Candy cane, and ooh, a pop bar hot chocolate on a stick. Oh, I love these. So you just heat up your hot chocolate, your milk, and then you use that to stir, and it melts the chocolate. There's something else in here, another little goodie, and a dark chocolate peppermint bark, all in this cute little stocking. And then she has hers packaged up like a gift. Here, so we've got some Celebrate It ribbon. So we've got this cream and gold, and this ribbon with the deer heads. Are they deer heads? Fun. And oh, she has a card too. Huh. So we have some mono liquid glue and some stickers and some poinsettias. Isn't that fun? So that is what I got from the Created to Create Not So Secret Santa swap. Thank you so much. Oh, you know what? I forgot to open the card. I forgot to even tell you who this was from. Ha. So excited to get the card. This is from Licia Mariposa on YouTube. So very cute. And here's the card. So anyway, it's Mariposa. Her name is Lesia, Lesia, and Mariposa on YouTube. Thank you so much for all the wonderful goodies. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.